What's up, everyone? I want to do an unboxing on this iPhone 16 Pro Max case here. Let's open it up, see what comes inside. So it's a nice leather, so it's a nice brown leather case for your iPhone 16 Pro Max. Let's see here on the inside, a nice rubber material. That way your iPhone's not going to get scratched up. It's going to be nice and protected. I love this ring on here too. Kind of use that ring as a little stand. So that's a cool feature on there. It does have a nice little carrying strap here. So that way if you're using it to take pictures or something, you want to hold on to there, you'll have that little strap for that as well. On the bottom here, it does have a hole for your charging port. And on the back's really nice too. You're going to be able to see that nice Apple logo on the back. On the side, it has some really nice soft buttons for your volume. For the power on this side here. And that nice brown leather material, just a really nice soft feel to it. And I love the texture on the sides of here as well. You're gonna have a nice grip on your phone and a beautiful case to protect it. It also comes with this high quality screen cover for your iPhone 16 Pro Max. Just a really thick, durable screen cover. And it gives you the wet and dry screening applicator, the dust absorber, and the sticker guides too. So if you're just looking for that nice minimalist look for your new iPhone 16 Pro Max, this one right here is a great option. Thanks for watching.